Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I am going to show you how to delete an Instagram account permanently. So here on this Instagram app, if we visit edit profile, then we'll see no option to delete our Instagram account. And if we visit here on this settings, then we'll see no options here as well to delete our account. No options. So in this case we have to use our browser to sign in and delete our account. So let me show you the full process. I'm going to open my browser. I'm using Chrome browser. You could have any browser, okay, so it doesn't matter. So after coming here on your search page, on the search bar type delete Instagram account permanently, okay. So select this one and here's the first link, official website. So open this link. Here we have two options. First one is temporarily disable our account, and the second one is for permanently deleting our account. So as we want to delete our account permanently, we have to use the second option. So I'm going to click on go to the delete your account page, and then you have to open this link into your browser, okay. Don't go to Instagram app, just open your browser. So I'm selecting the Chrome browser, clicking on just once, and here we have to enter our account details to sign in. So I'm going to enter mine and then put the password, okay, and then hit the login button. And in this page you will see an option here or a question: why are you deleting your account? You have to answer this question. Just choose any option. So I am using too busy or too distracting, and then here we have to re-enter our password. So I'm putting my password, okay, and then you have to click on this red button, permanently delete my account. I'm going to click. Here Instagram says, are you sure you want to delete your account? Yes, we are sure. So going to click on OK, and we are done. Your account has been removed. We are sorry to see you go. So this is the process to delete an Instagram account permanently. And I hope you have found this video helpful. And if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this one. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.